stepping into the NASA Space App Challenge, an event designed to spread the knowledge of space exploration. In our venture, we crafted a web-based virtual reality journey through the Earth to Mars Cycler mission. This interactive application brings the space mission to life, showcasing orbital trajectories and the mission timeline. We've painstakingly mirrored mission parameters with scientific precision, drawing from NASA's vast resources, and employed 3D and virtual reality technologies to weave an immersive narrative experience. A Martian year equals 1.8 Earth years, meaning Mars completes 8 orbits of the Sun in roughly the same time it takes for Earth to make 15. Cycler trajectories between Earth and Mars are aligned with whole number multiples of the synodic period between the two planets, which is roughly 2 Earth years.
Buzz Aldrin.
Buzz Aldrin, in 1985, extended his lunar cycler work to identify a Mars cycler that corresponds to a single synodic period. We gathered data from NASA's General Mission Analysis tool, showcasing its potential in generating XYZ Cartesian coordinates over time to shape these trajectories. Our astrophysicist from Queen Mary University of London processed the data, which was uploaded via a JSON file, and brought to life by our programmer, using the Babylon.js WebGL engine. This offers a powerful solution for visualizing rocket models, planets, and trajectory lines, with users navigating through a sleek UI. The program visualizes the trajectory of a 15-year cycle, and can highlight selected travel points in an engaging presentation mode, tailor-made for lessons and classes. In an alternate mode, you can access a view from the cockpit in a thrilling flight simulator mode. Regardless of the mode, a VR button is always within reach, allowing you to experience it all in virtual reality. We hope this application will ignite your interest in astrophysics and contribute to the popularization of space knowledge.